What does an elephant say? What does an elephant say? That's right. What does monkey say? What does monkey say? You moved on? What does alligator say? Are you not playing the game today? Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Ah.
That's what a giraffe says. Ah. Look it up. It really does say that. What does a lion say? That's right. What does a bumblebee say? What does the bumblebee say? Look it. What does the bumblebee say?
Hi.
Hi. Bzzz. The bumblebee on Einstein says, hi. What does a frog say? Hop, hop, hop. What does hippo say? Uh-oh. What does hippo say? Bum, 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 bum. What does the... You're not going to play today, are you? Be silly. Let's see all those animals. A lion. Yeah. And a monkey. Where's the... Ooh, ooh, ah, where's monkey? I see monkey. There's the monkey. Is he swinging from the tree? What story are you telling me?
A lion.
A lion. What does a bee say?
Lion.
Say frog. Hop, hop. I love that lion.
Look. It's eyeball.
Uh-huh.
Go.
Grr. Tiger says grr. Bird says tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Hippo says bum, 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 bum. Is that the bee? Yeah, you pointed at him. It's actually a butterfly. He flies around like a bumblebee though, huh? Chomp, chomp. That's what alligator says, huh? Bless you. Achoo. Thank you. Want me to read it to you now? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Say the alphabet with me. Oh, losing interest. On to the next thing. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Love you. A bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. You want help? Okay, I'll help you.